So today these little critters got spooked. There's a lot of noise going on. There's a tree being felled across the street, and this critter right here thinks these little critters right here are her responsibility. Normally she sits by their makeshift coop. We just got them. We're actually building their coop today, or their housing today, and so they're in an animal carrier because they're small enough to fit in there. But she has tried to open this carrier and free the chickens since we put them in, and now she's yelling at the people across the street because they are dropping a tree and it's loud and she don't appreciate it. But yeah, these little guys have a guardian who does not like it when they get spooked. They jumped, the noise started, they jumped and hit the top of the housing, and my daughter had to carry her back. Luna.
It's okay.
Luna. Say hi.
She does not like what's spooking the chicken.
She's trying to get him to stop because she realized they were spooking her chickens. She tried to rescue them, and when that was a fail, she decided to try to get the people across the street to stop hacking at the tree, which is spooking the chickens. This is my first experience with chickens. I've had them since Sunday, and it's Friday now, so we've almost made it a full week. They're happy little things, and they're usually very quiet, but today it just is not working for them. So we figured it's a good time to take it and clean it and move it over some and give them a nice clean place with more grass that they can peck the bugs out of. They definitely prefer the foraging of the bugs. I mean, obviously they'll eat the feed, but they definitely prefer the buggies. And they've grown some since I got them. Their feathers they were in that stage between big bird feathers and baby bird feathers, so we had kind of a busy week. We got all the stuff, so now we will be getting that taken down and building their actual run. I always assumed that chickens were a lot louder. They're not. She's complaining now because they won't stop. It really upsets her that the chickens got upset. But they're fine now. They forgot what upset them, I guess. Or they just got used to the noise. But they've been at this for the last 2 hours, so we'll see.